Dear audience and my honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are staying healthy, and I am also healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shakil before you. I am very thrilled to here with you today, and I am very excited to join with this splendid session. I have been called here for describing the process of making sugar from sugarcane. Here the given diagram show the general information of making sugar from sugarcane. 7 steps are maintained for making sugar from sugarcane. These are respectively growing, harvesting, crushing, purifying, heating, separating, and drying and cooling. So firstly, we see the sugarcane are cultivated for 12 to 18 months for growing properly. After proper growing, it is harvested manually or by machine. Then harvested sugarcane are taken crushing machine to crushed. After crushed, it is taken to limestone filter for purifying. This purified juice is then heated in evaporator, and then it taken to a centrifuge machine. And finally, centrifuge machine separate the sugar crystal from syrup. And then lastly, this sugar crystal is dried and cooled, and then the sugar is made. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for listening me intently. Thank you everyone.